Hey y'all, I'm about to give myself a spa foot treatment that I came up with. I call it the Fire and Ice foot treatment, and it's not like a normal pedicure. I'm not even gonna fuss around with the nails part. Just gonna have like a relaxing, invigorating little foot treatment. And I came up with this because there's a big trend right now at spas to do these like hot and cold treatments, and it's so refreshing, like on a really hot day. And I just love the idea of like the hot and the cold kind of stimulates your circulation. So anyway, so if you want to do this along with me, then get yourself like a bowl to soak your feet in, some like salt scrub if you have it, and a foot lotion, and a bucket of ice. And so now the fun part begins. Just take out your feet out of your soaking apparatus and take your ice bucket, or something else you can do is I take these Pellegrino bottles or Perrier, like the green plastic bottles, and fill them with water and keep them frozen in the freezer. Just another thing for the beauty freezer, right? Y'all must be thinking, she has got no food in there. She just has like all this crazy stuff. But anyway, so I like to have 2 in there all the time, so I thought I'd do 2. And you just put it on the ground. I usually put, like if you have just ice cubes, I'd have like a shallow bowl and put them in. When I have these, what's really awesome is you can just put a towel down or like a plastic bag and then a towel over it to catch the perspiration. And you just put your feet on the bottles, put like your arch on each, at the top of each thing, and actually you can take the labels off too, but I wanted to show you what bottles that I used. And you can just like roll your feet on them or just like hang out. When you have 2, what's kind of cool is that you can do like your arch on one and then do like your heel on the other. And you can even just do, kind of do a roll, so it's like a self-massage. And y'all, this is killer. This feels so amazing. Like my feet are totally freezing cold right now, and it's now about like 85 out here. And so that's what you do. And like I said, you can just have 1 if you want, but I like to have 2. It's more fun to play with and stuff. And you can do this for like as long as you want to. And if you wanted, you can even alternate like back and forth, like the hot and then the cold. It's really energizing, and it just makes your feet feel just like alive. Like they just want to go kicking and doing all kinds of great stuff right now. So anyway, and after you're done rolling on the cold, rolling on your bottles or soaking in the ice, then just towel dry your feet off, and if you want, finish off with some lotion. I've got this, this is the companion to that sugar scrub I used. It's by Me Bath, and it's a frangipani and mulberry leaves, and it smells just as good as that other one did. And look at how like it's this yummy, like thick consistency. Check that out. Oh, I can't wait to just try some on our hands. Oh yes, 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 yes. Anyway, so I hope y'all had fun, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll be back at you later. So see ya, bye.